much heat, Luffy. You can only feel it consume you. Emotions drive you. That's your flaw. Heat obeys logic. You don't. Keep smiling. It'll melt first. 3 blades. 3 ways to fail. You swing it metal, yet all you cut is your affliction. You fight like a machine, but you'll die like a man. You map storms, but you cannot chart death. The air you love so much, I'll turn it into smoke. You crave control. I take it. I smell it on you. Fear. You lie to survive. I prefer the truth. It hurts more. Run. It changes nothing. Heat finds everything. A cook. I cook too. The difference is my meals scream. You call it passion. I call it combustion. You mend flesh. I melt it. We both change what we touch. I'm just more honest about it. You think saving lives gives it value. You're wrong. You study ruins. I create them. You'll have plenty of new history when I'm done. Knowledge burns too, archaeologist. Slower than flesh, but deeper. No flesh, no heat. You're the only one I can't cook. Disappointing. You should have stayed